One way to improve peer reviews is to use the technique known as perspective-based peer reviews. These reviews can be 35% more effective than ordinary peer reviews. The idea behind a perspective-based peer review is that if you have multiple people looking at software, give each person a prompt to make them look at it a little differently than the other people, so you get more diverse points of view and better coverage of the potential issues with a piece of software. You can do this by taking a peer review checklist and dividing it, for example, into 3 sections, one for each reviewer. Each reviewer takes a look at some code. Looking at a half dozen lines of code, for example, looks at their own particular portion of the checklist, with each portion of the checklist emphasizing a different aspect of software. That not only gives you multiple eyes to find problems, but also helps encourage some breadth in the perspective of each of the people. Some example ways to split things out for a perspective-based review might be to have one reviewer concentrate on control flow issues, a second reviewer look at data handling issues, and a third reviewer look at style issues.